To add Afterpay to Stripe, you will need to create a Stripe account and an Afterpay account. First, go to the Stripe website and sign in to your account. If you do not have a Stripe account, click on the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to create one. Once you are signed in, click on the Payments tab and then click on Payment Methods. Scroll down to the Buy Now Pay Later section and click on Afterpay. Click on the Activate button to activate Afterpay as a payment method. You will then be redirected to the Afterpay website where you will need to sign in to your Afterpay account or create a new one. Follow the prompts to complete the activation process. After activating Afterpay, go back to your Stripe account and click on the Payments tab. Click on Payment Methods and then click on Afterpay to configure the settings. You can choose the countries where you want to offer Afterpay as a payment method and set the minimum and maximum transaction amounts. To test Afterpay, create a test payment by clicking on the Payments tab and then clicking on Create Payment. Select Afterpay as the payment method and enter the test payment details. Afterpay will then redirect you to the Afterpay website to complete the payment. Once the payment is complete, go back to your Stripe account to verify that the payment has been successful. By following these steps, you can easily add Afterpay to Stripe and start offering it as a payment method to your customers. It is a great way to increase conversions and provide a better customer experience. It is also important to note that Afterpay has certain requirements and restrictions that you need to comply with, such as displaying the Afterpay logo and terms and conditions on your website. Make sure to review the Afterpay documentation and terms of service to ensure that you are meeting all the requirements. By following best practices and complying with the requirements, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with Stripe and provide a seamless payment experience for your customers.